Namaste everybody, I am Harshitha Shetty and this is day 3 of 75 days hard. For morning, I had rava dosa as my breakfast. Then I had 4 liters of water throughout the day. After some time, I had half a cup of coffee. In the mid-morning, I had pomegranates as my snack. Later, I had my lunch. I had rice, sambar and sabji. Portion control in dieting is very important. Later in the evening, I had one whole glass of green tea and then I did some reading. As you all know, I'm reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita and this is what I read today. It is better to live in the world by begging than to live at the cost of lives of great souls. Even though they are various, they are nonetheless our superiors. Then I had my banana for pre-workout because I was heading out for workout and I did the workout which was assigned to me. It was a leg day. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please do like, share and subscribe.